And also magbe-breakfast kami para hindi kami hungry all throughout the drive because it's the #1 cause of fights in this relationship. Why you laugh when I said this is the #1 cause of fights in this relationship? Pareho pa naman kaming ganon. Pag hindi kami nakakain, bad mood. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, so today is a new day and it is a very, very, very pretty day. Kasi from the past couple of days, gloomy and cloudy and it's been raining and cold. But today, we got the sun and I think ganito in the next couple of days. So, we decided to have a lot of activities today. And the first thing that we are gonna do right now is go and have a Turkish breakfast. Right, babe?
If it's open.
If it's open, now. I hope it is. Oh, it is. Finally, it's open. So, we are going to have breakfast in this place na dapat pinuntahan na sana namin noon, pero naka-close. Eh, ngayon naka-open siya, Mars. So, Turkish breakfast before we head on to the rest of our activities for today. And of course, we are gonna take you with us again and again and again and again.
What egg do you want?
My favorite, sunny side up. You get the omelette so we can share. I can share it.
You want it with the
What?
with the sausage?
Sausage?
Yeah, they can do it with the sausage. Like sunny side up with the sausage.
How is that? Really?
Like that would be like sunny side up and then you have like sausage.
But they don't have pork sausages here, so.
No, it's good.
It doesn't stop. Oh my god, that's my favorite balkaimak. It's so fresh. It even has the bubbles, babe. Heart. Balkaimak, my favorite. So this is traditional Turkish breakfast.
With the egg.
Later, with the egg.
You try this first. Take one egg.
This? Why? Why?
Do you have something here?
Arugula. This is arugula. What is it? It's spicy. It's bitter.
Yeah, it's with the...
It's arugula.
Okay.
We can start na. Napaka-fresh ng lahat-lahat. The tomatoes, the chilies, cucumber, lahat. So fresh. Cheese, olive. What is this pizza? Yogurt?
Something in the yogurt, yeah. You want that? Iki tane bardak. Bardak yarım.
See, here we are again. This one I think is cheese.
I like this place that has balls.
Yeah. That's your minimum. Lovely.
Fishy.
Fishy.
Balkaymak fishy.
Balkaymak burada.
Yes. It's like a food for 4 people, this one. Back in the road again, and we are now on the way to the mall sa Estinia Park because meron lang akong gagawin and meron din siyang bibilhin real quick before we go to Ephesus. Were we supposed to say that at the same time?
Yeah, always.
We are going to
Ephesus!
Nandito na kami. And we are going to find ticket booth.
Ticket office.
Ticket office. Tickets. Tickets.
I'll go pee-pee.
Okay. Oh my God, napakaganda dito. It's giving Pompeii vibes. Yun ang feels. Wow. And ang perfect ng weather. Hindi masyadong malamig. And also, hindi rin naman mainit. Unlike nun sa Pompeii, Italy. Ang ganda oh. Ang lalaki ng mga puno yan. Wow. Outfit check. Hinihintay ko lang yung nag-CR. Nasaan na siya? Kuya, where are you? May God, ang daming pusa. Wala, ang daming pusa. Tingnan nyo. Wala. Ang dami. Okay, so we are walking na.
You just call yourself Chinese.
So we're...
Said a lot of us.
Babe, can you
You're one of
fucking
them.
stop? So...
You said I'm one of you too.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
From now on,
Yeah.
you are
Thank you.
Southeast Asian. Okay, so we are now walking and marami na kami nakikita mga ruins. Ruins everywhere. What are those?
Well, on the way back, we'll go there and
Ah.
Church of Mary.
So which one is the main one?
There. So they say 200,000 people live there.
Lived here? So this is the city of Ephesus, right? Like the city of Pompeii? That's a big coliseum.
They need to have fun and get access.
Sporting competitions and entertainments were held here, as well as in the stadium and the theatre.
Hi. You like it?
Well, I'm working.
You're working as my photographer. Update! Nandito na kami sa loob ng Ephesus and lakad-lakad lang, view ng history ng Ephesus. Ayun lang, medyo boring but you know you need to know your history as a human being. So this is 1st century BC. 1st century BC built by the Romans.
Okay, fun fact about the water.
So before pala, this area used to be a port. So water went down.
Now it's 9 kilometers away.
Now it's 9 kilometers away.
Wait, there's a chase going on.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the sun.
Go. There. Go, Pookie.
Which one for you do you like more? Pompeii or this one?
Pompeii.
So Pompeii was more interesting for you?
You wanna go sit there?
Which one of the places we went to made your jaw drop? No,
And
I mean
more.
everything. Not just the cities, everywhere.
Buggy.
Bangi made your jaw drop. Okay, let's try. Wow. That's so fresh. And full of vitamin C. Baby, so good. You need to try. And you need it. Ang sarap. Para akong...
Masarap?
Yeah, it's so good. It's good, no? But it wakes you up and gives you that burst of freshness. We are on the way to Syringe. So yung babae na nakaupo ko noon sa flight ko papunta sa Izmir is sinabi niya na pag pupunta kayo ng Ephesus, dumaan na rin kayo sa Syringe kasi daw magandang village yon or magandang place. So that's exactly what we're doing now, and wow, again we are traveling in the mountains and it's a little bit medyo scary, but okay, wala naman masyadong cars, pero ito napakataas na naman, my god. And up in the mountains. I'm gonna show them all. Ayan. Wow. Wow, wowie. So it feels like Tuscany, but a mountainous Tuscany. That's how it feels like here. Kasi punong-puno siya ng olives. Oh my god, it's mountains and mountains and mountains of olives. Cause here, ang dami namin nakita kanina dun sa baba na mga like facilities where they press the olive oils, the olive seeds. I don't know. Puro olives, guys. Mountains and mountains and mountains of olives, oranges, lemons. Ang ganda. Napakaganda. Oh my god. Wow! 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 Magta-Turkish coffee kami!
Coffee, you see? The foam starting to get higher, higher, higher.
So after namin mag-ikot-ikot sa Syringe, umuwi na kami agad kasi itong araw na to is New Year's Eve. So it was December 31. So kailangan pa namin mag-prepare ng pang New Year namin kasi magjo-join kami sa mga friends niya, yung ibang coach, and magdadala kami ng potluck, ganon. Kailangan pa namin bumili ng mga gagamitin para doon. So ayan guys, kaming dalawa na lang yung nagbuo ng aming charcuterie board. So ito yung dinala namin dun sa potluck and inimbento na lang namin tong mga ginawa namin. But ayan, yung result. Pareho kami hindi marunong, pero ito lang yung nakayanan namin. Around mga siguro 8 o'clock or 8:30, pumunta na kami doon sa place nung head coach nila. Ayan, yung babae is asawa ng head coach, and then yung naka-black is yun yung assistant coach. So, lahat-lahat sila is Lithuanian. Ayan, at mababait naman sila guys, in fairness naman. Nagpe-prepare lang silang lahat, nagtutulungan sila para maghanda ng dinner namin. At ayun na nga, pagdating ng alas 12, ayan ang fireworks dito sa Turkey. Walay! Bitin na bitin kami. Pero anyway, ayun yung naging New Year namin. And then the next day, nag-road trip agad kami papunta sa Istanbul kasi meron silang game. Kaya na naman kami, road trip na naman. Surprise! Nandito kami sa Istanbul kasi mayroong game ang Team Manisa. Sinama na lang niya ako para makita ko na rin ang Istanbul. Pero kami, magsistay kami dito for 2 nights. Pero yung team, aalis din after tonight. Ngayon yung game day. And it's 11 a.m. I just finished taking a shower. And right now, I'm getting ready. Kasi sasama ko sa kanya. Kasi 3 p.m. yung game. And we decided na sabay na lang kami pumunta. Kasi kung hindi ako sasabay sa kanya, mag-Uber ako and I don't want that. Anyway, dumating na kami dito yesterday. Mga around 1 p.m. kami dumating dito. And hindi ako nakapag-vlog yesterday because it's my first day of period and wala. I was not in the mood to do anything yesterday. You know naman, pag first day ng period, right? Ngayon ko lang ulit nakuha yung mood ko to do anything. Pero kagabi, nag-dinner kami outside. We had sushi. We had Japanese, Asian food. Guys, almost mag-1 month na ako dito sa Turkey. And sobrang miss ko na ang Filipino food, Asian food, other choices aside from Turkish food. Kaya pag kumakain kami sa labas, lagi namin pinipili other cuisines kasi nami-miss na namin yung ibang klaseng pagkain. Kasi dito, wala masyadong options. Meron pero sobrang limited. Wait lang. Hindi rin ako makaluto ng Filipino food sa bahay kasi limited yung mga gamit pang luto. And pag sa grocery, hindi ako makahanap ng mga tamang ingredients to cook Filipino food. And also, syempre, walang pork dito. So, ang dami kong mga Filipino dishes na hindi maluto. We don't have that. And guys, just like in Thailand before, na nagsawa ako sa shrimp, nagsasawa na ako sa chicken and beef. I cannot believe na sasabihin ko yan. Narating ko na yung point sa hindi ko na kaya ang chicken and beef. Okay. And nung mga first few days ko dito, excited pa ako sa kebab and all that heavy protein food. But now, iniiwasan ko na siya. Kagabi, alam niyo kung ano yung order ko. Kasi nag-Japanese restaurant kami and apparently meron din silang ibang mga Asian dishes doon. Nakahanap ako ng tteokbokki and then nag-order kami ng parang beans na may garlic and chili garlic, ganon. Tapos, sushi, nag-tom yum soup siya, miso soup ako. Pati siya. I think pagod na rin siya sa Turkish food. Kasi first few weeks namin dito, Turkish food kami as in, wow na wow. Ngayon, kagabi na-excite kami kumain ng mga sushi, ganyan. And siya, right now, habang nagre-ready ako, is, punta siya sa baba para mag-breakfast with the team. And supposedly, ako, magpapa-room service ako ng breakfast. Kasi nga, nagre-ready ako right now, so I can't go down to have breakfast. Pero, I don't know if I still have time to do that because kinausap na niya ako kaninang umaga. Sabi niya sa akin, today, I cannot have you being late or yung, Filipino time ko. Winarningan niya ako, guys. But diba, tagal na natin hindi nagkwentuhan. Hey! Oh, did you bring me pastries? Oh, babe, thank you. Oh, thank you. He brought me pastries and yogurt. Thank you, babe. So, ayun na pala. Meron na pala akong breakfast. Dinalhan niya ako from baba. Meron siyang dinalang parang mga pastries yata yan. Tsaka dates and yogurt. Babe, I'm just updating the vlog. But I'm almost done. And so, ayun. Yun yung mga plans namin today. And with regards to if mag-iikot-ikot ba kami dito sa Istanbul, yes, we will. But that's tomorrow after the games. And by the way, nandito kami pala sa part ng Istanbul na Europe part. Apparently divided ang Turkey into two. So there's the Asian part. And now we are here at the Europe part. And also guys, ubos na yung lashes ko. Wala na. Nails ko. And ang baba na Kailangan na po ng total overhaul si ate girl. Ayan. Kaya sobrang simple na lang din ang mga makeup ko these past few days. Kasi wala na rin point. Ba't mapabobogahan ng makeup? Ang lashes just for nagmamakaawang namas. Lashes. I have more than a week left here in Turkey. Ito na, pabalik na naman po tayo sa pagiging working girl. Kaya habang nandito with the jowa, sulitin na yan. Diba? Ben, how was your breakfast? Good. That's good. Sana all. Okay, I am done. Look, ubus na tong lip oil ko from Tirtir. Ito lang po ang sinandalan ko habang nandito ako sa Turkey. Tirtir My Glow Rosy Lip Oil. Oh my God. Finally done. The perfume that I brought here with me in Istanbul is my Comfort Fabulous. Gustong-gusto niya to, si Robbie. He loves the smell of it. And pati yung hair ko, ini-sprayan ko kasi. Naka-check out na kami sa hotel and ito, mag-explore na kami dito sa Istanbul. So meron lang kaming a few spots na gustong puntahan, but first we will have breakfast muna kasi gutom na kami and syempre hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast and we are planning to have a Turkish breakfast, of course. And meron kami nakita isang spot sa parang center na may magandang view. So hopefully pumasok yung reservation ko kanina kasi meron namang reservation yung si Google pero hindi ko alam kung nag-work ba yun, but I still tried. Kaya ito, on the way na kami pupunta doon. It's been an easy morning and also tapos na rin yung game nila yesterday. Finally, nakapag-park na kami. And also, I'm wearing my fur jacket na because it's lighter pero mas warm. We are walking to go and have breakfast. Was that easy? Okay.
The parking?
Yeah.
Yeah, the second spot. Not so bad.
Mas maraming spot dito sa nahanap namin second parking. So, dito sa pinuntahan namin at mga pupuntahan namin, ano na to, touristy area na to. So, there's gonna be a lot of tourists here and people. So, ayun lang. So, ito na yung restaurant na kakainin namin, guys. It's called Seven Hills. Here?
Thank you.
Okay. Guys, meron akong kwento. Since hinahintay namin yung order namin. Kaya kami nag-move ng restaurant. Kasi yung unang restaurant na pinuntahan namin, which is yung pinakita ko kanina, 2 beses siya naiputan ng seagulls. Were those seagulls, babe? Seagulls? Or birds. Basta yung mga birds na nandun. So, unang-una, pag upo pa lang namin, meron na agad. So, pumunta na siya sa restroom and clean it and everything. Ang dami pa. Hindi lang yung konting ganun lang. Girl, as in, ang dami. Tapos, so, okay na. And then, sabi ko na dun sa waiter, we need to move seats because the chair already has 2. So, he said, no problem, okay, you move. So, we moved in a different table. Tapos, pagkaupo ulit namin, girl, meron ulit, same spot. Kaya sabi namin, no, we need to move. So, supposedly, dapat bababa kami. So, dun na sa baba. And, syempre, dun sa baba, wala nang rooftop and hindi na masyadong maganda yung view. So, pumunta kami sa baba and hindi na namin feel. Tapos, nung nakuha na namin yung chance na pumunta sa elevator, sabi namin, labas na kami dito, we're getting out of here. Naghanap na lang ulit kami ng iba and we found this. Medyo mas kalmado, mas tahimik, and okay naman siya. Hindi lang yung OA na talagang nasa terrace kami and everything, but it looks nice and it looks decent. Pero nonetheless, ang ganda pa rin itong restaurant na nahanap. Siya actually ang nakahanap. Kasi magkakatabi lang kasi lahat ng mga terrace restaurants dito. As in, paglabas mo, meron ka agad-agad na makikita na option. So, hindi mahirap. Maganda pa rin naman yung views, just that we're not in the terrace and we don't wanna go in the terrace anymore. Ayan, yung mosque yan, no? That's a mosque. And then, that's another mosque over there. We're surrounded by restaurants and terraces. Yeah. Unfortunately, hindi kami nakapasok sa Topkapi because we needed ticket. I don't know kung anong street na to, pero magandang street siya. Shops everywhere.
But they all look the same. They got buckle there. They got fake bags.
Yeah.
And
Souvenirs.
And teacups.
And those nice glass ornaments. And there's a lot of terrace cafes here.
Where you get
Rooftop.
shit on.
Babe, maybe because you're the only pogi guy they see. That's why they're trying to get your attention.
Maybe.
So yun guys, naglakad-lakad lang kami sa city center ng Istanbul like what we always do in every city that we go to. Sobrang simple lang naman namin. Maybe go for a few landmarks, observe, buy something unique as a souvenir. Mga ganon. And after that, nag-drive na ulit kami papunta sa Manisa kung saan kami nagsistay. And the next couple of days, hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog kasi I really wanted to just be present with him and just enjoy every moment kasi nga pauwi na rin ako sa Manila. And just like that, natapos na naman yung almost 1 month ko with him. Ito talaga yung part ng LDR na pinakaayaw ko, yung uwian time. But I think that's what's making it really special because we get to cherish every moment that we are together. We don't take those moments for granted. LDR is not for the weak talaga, yan lang masasabi ko. Need talaga ng matinding trust, communication, and willingness kung papasok ka sa isang LDR relationship. Hindi siya madali pero hindi rin siya boring kasi ang daming mga kakaibang experiences compared to a regular relationship. So anyways, to be continued. Mwah!